Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lovett. In case you're coming across the channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when next I upload new video. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easy way to cut and sew Iro and Buba. Iro and Buba is a traditional Yoruba attire where Iro is a wrapper tied around the waist and Buba is a loose fitted blouse that is worn over it. It has been in existence for a very long time and still in fashion. So if you're interested in knowing this, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, leave a comment and share this video. So guys, for the making of this Iro and Buba, I'll be making use of 6 yards of this Ankara fabric. Then I will need my tape rule, my scissors, my chalk. So after that, I folded my fabric into 4. As you can see, my fabric is folded into 4, and because there was not going to be any joining at the shoulder area, that is how we make Iro and Buba. You're not going to be joining the shoulder area, so I folded my fabric into 4 places. Firstly, I placed one selvage on the other selvage. Then I folded it downward with the buba length, which I've added 2 inches for sewing allowance. So the next thing is to put in my neckline measurement. So I used the neck width of 3 inches and the neck depth of 3.5 inches. Then I cuff it because it's going to have I want it to have a round neck. So the next thing is that I cut this out, and that is the neckline. So the next thing now is to put in the buba body measurement. Don't forget, buba has to be a little bit free on the body, so that is the reason why we call it buba. So it has to be free on the body. So with the measurements, so the bust circumference I'm working with here is 42 inches. So I am using 50 inches, which means I added 8 inches to the normal bust circumference. So 50 inches divided by 4 is 12.5, and I had 2 inches for the sewing allowance, so which makes it 14.5. So that is what I did here. I marked 14.5 all around from the upper part, from the shoulder to the down part of the buba. So the next thing now is to cut it out. We are done with the cutting of our buba. It is just as simple as that. So whatever we use for the bust, that is what we're going to run down. Yeah, so the next thing is that I notched this area so that I'll be able to know where the shoulder is going to fall, and that is all about the buba body. So now we move to the cutting of the sleeve. The way we measure buba shoulder is different from when we are measuring the normal shoulder. For buba shoulder, we place the tape rule on the center back of the neck, then we run it to wherever we want the length to be. So for the length of this sleeve, I'm using 27 inches. So I'm going to deduct 12.5 inches from 27. So I'm left with 15.5. So I'm going to be cutting out 15.5 inches. It is just the way we do when we are making a cut with shoulder dress. So it is just as simple as that. And for the wideness, I use 22 inches. So on fold, that will be 11 inches plus 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So that is what I did, and I cut it out. So this is the sleeve. Here is the sleeve. I cut it out in 2 places, and that is the sleeve. I added 2.5 inches to the length of the sleeve, so of the buba. So that will be what I'm going to use to fold it in. So I'm going to fold it in like this with that 2.5. Then I'm going to sew it down. Then after I'm done with that, I'm going to place it on, I'm going to fold it like this. Then I'm going to join the side of the, so I'm going to do the same thing for the other side as well. And for the buba, I'm going to open it up like this. So this is me trying to get the wrong side of the Ankara fabric, so in order to avoid any mistake. So this is how it's going to stand, right side facing each other, and I'm going to make sure that this down part is well lined. You can as well pin it down. All right, the next thing is that after laying it very well like this, so the next thing is that from the shoulder area, I'm going to measure that 11 inches that I used for the wideness of my sleeve. So I'm going to mark the 11 inches out because that is where I'm going to be starting my joining from. So this is my sleeve, so I'm going to join it together. I'm going to join the sleeve first with the 11 inches. So after joining the 11 inches on my buba, I'm going to, from the shoulder, I'm going to go down with that 11 inches, and I'm going to, I chalked it, so that is where my sewing is going to be starting from. So from here, I'm trying to measure out my bust circumference, the 50 inches. So I'm going to start the sewing from here downward to the down part. So that is it, and I will do the same thing for the second side as well. So after joining the sleeve, after joining the two sides together, the next thing is to take one sleeve, then I'm going to put it inside the buba, then I'm going to join it round. So it is just very simple to make. Buba is very simple to make. So after joining this side together, this is me trying to show you how I'm going to fold it and how I'm going to join this. So I'm going to join it with 1 inch, so that I'll be left with 11 inches. And don't forget, I'm going to join my buba as well from the 11 inches that I went down with. So I'm going to place it in the buba like this. So, and I'm going to sew it round, and that is it. So this is what I have, guys, after I'm done with the joining. So I went ahead to add bias to the neckline and I iron it. So that is it, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.